Well, in the house today is yard speed. Looking very nice. So he's probably made some modifications since last time, so we'll speak to him. But we're going to get it up on the dyno this Saturday morning for a bit of fun and see what power she's putting out. So here we go. Okay, so there's Yard Speed's little car ready to come into the dyno. We're going to ask him because he's been on this dyno before. So, young man,
on this dyno before.
What have you changed since?
So changed quite a few things, but the main thing that I want to test today is the 4-to-1 manifold and the 70mm catback.
Fantastic.
It's the new one from Teguer.
Okay.
I think they've changed manufacturer, so
okay.
Be curious to see how well it does.
Yeah, fantastic. We love the Teguer 70mm. Yeah, here's our Geno. Well, there we have it. Good gains over last time, plenty in the mid-range. So some modifications made, but well done, Yard Speed. And we'll see you again on the next one.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.